I got a huge scoop for you. Guess who's on a photo shoot in the park? As we speak. The same thing as usual.
What?
And who's she? Let me guess. Another you couldn't say no favor. Look, no problem. I'll look after your little detail for you. You're just a pushover, Marinette. I have to babysit my sisters all the time, which makes me an expert in dealing with angels. I'm a mythical unicorn from the world of Rispa, disguised as a totally fabulous human girl. I grant magical wishes, but only to little monkeys who behave. Okay, let's all go to the park. Then what? Let's just start with just happened to be passing by and see if we can get to that smoothie. We couldn't be more invisible. Yeah, I saw it too. Pretty normal, since we're in the same class. Come on, small fry. I'll get you that balloon. But what about Adrian? Who, me? You don't want me. I think I'm having an allergic reaction to this apple.
I know just the person you need. Hold that thought.
They need an extra to pose with Adrian. Go on. What are you waiting for? You take care of Prince Charming, and I'll take care of Miss Unicorn here. You don't know how to control her anyway. Trust me. Unicorns unite! Let's go to Rispa and find us some sad little village kids and grant those wishes! Yee-haw! Lemonade crunchy ice. Hit it once, hit it twice, freeze! It's the big Goblin King. He ate too much and split his shirt! Wanna hear a story? Then the Cyclops monster picked the princess up in his hand and said, "Look into my eye." Then glop, she stuck a finger right in it. As soon as she took a bite of the cursed potato, the poor princess fell into a deep, deep sleep. Hurry up, Ladybug. And after defeating the three-headed dragon with Taekwondo, the princess kissed her Prince Charming and, sure, until they had a dozen or so little monkeys like you who drove them crazy.